Namaskar. Welcome to the second video of the Sukhayu Ayurveda Detox series. In this video, we are going to discuss with you that what are the basic causes behind the toxins. Because once we are talking about removal of the toxins from the body, it is important to know that why these toxins are accumulating in the body. Once we are sure that what are the basic cause and root causes behind these toxins, then it becomes very easy for us to clear the body and cleanse the system deeply. As we are informed again and again that this is the diet and lifestyle which is accumulating the toxins in our body. Now, diet, you can say eating a lot of junk food, eating a lot of improper food, that is a part. But apart from this, our body keeps on producing the toxins by itself. Why so? Because body is working and there will be byproducts in the body. If there are byproducts are formed in a larger amount, that causes the basic problem. For example, if we are talking about uric acid is a normal production while the protein metabolism. If that protein metabolism is faulty somewhere, then there will be an increase in the level of uric acid continuously. So we should understand that this is not about the diet and lifestyle alone. This is about our body also, our engine also, our system also, which is producing a lot of toxins. Now coming to the diet, we are taking a lot of foods, junk food, MNC food rather, I will say, because these are the multinational companies who are imposing these food stuff on us again and again. In this condition, we are eating outside for sake of just social obligation or just to spend some quality time with our family. But that is not a taboo. We cannot stop that. Our system should be that perfect that we should cleanse that bad items from the body. But if we are taking these foods regularly, on a regular basis we are eating some junk food, then these start accumulating in the body. That is the one point. Second point is taking the food on improper time, in appropriate times. The times, when I'm saying times, it is not like that we should eat according to our clock, but there should be a regularity in our food habits. For example, if I talk about a regularity and irregularity of the food items, I used to give an example again and again. The example is, once you are organizing a party, everybody is in party mode and everything is prepared over there, and all of a sudden your guests refuse to appear there, then what? All the system of the party is ruined. You are aggravated. You are in a panic mode that nobody appeared. How can it be possible? The reason is very simple, because you prepared a lot of things for your party, but everybody refused to appear over there. And in the same condition, if you organize a party for 50 people, and all of a sudden 100 people come over there, what will happen with you? Certainly you will be aggravated in that case also, because it is out of the balance. And that is the basic thing which is happening with everybody of us. We are taking a lot of things at wrong times. For example, if our body is feeling hungry at 11 a.m. and we are taking food at 1 p.m. means 2 hours after the time which when we are supposed to take the food, what happens? Our body keeps on flushing the digestive juices from the system, and that system is empty and there are no digestive juices available for the digestion of the food. So in that condition, the food whatever we have taken is just waste. It doesn't matter how healthy the food was, whether it was a junk food or whether it was a normal food. You cannot say that thing. In the same case, once we take the food in an excess amount and our body is not able to digest that amount, in that case again, what will happen? Body will refuse to digest that food very easily, and that will cause a lot of problem with our system. And these are the Vishmashan, Adhyashan, Samsana. These are the words in Ayurveda as per the text. Now what happens? Why I'm talking about the detox and why we are saying that detox is so important? Detox is important in two ways. First is to remove the toxins from the body. Second is to arrest the causes behind the production of toxins. So this is a two-dimensional program. This is not about just cleansing. This is something like just if you clean a cloth, after that it should be ironed properly. It should have a fragrance so that you will be happy to wear that. In this condition, I used to give an example from Bhagavad Gita, where Krishna says to Arjuna that body is nothing, but this is a cloth what our soul is wearing. In that condition, we wore this body 30 years, 40 years back, but till now we have not cleansed it, and we are wearing a stinking piece of cloth. That what our soul is going to feel. This is something like that. You are wearing a very untidy dress and you are going to a meeting or you are going for a photo shoot in that condition. Will you be confident? That is the basic thing which happens with us every day, on every moment. That is the basic thing we are supposed to do in the detox. In the next video, we will be sharing with you the details how Ayurveda approaches towards the nutrition of the body, and what are the different levels of nutrition, and how the toxins keep on stucking in the system, and what is the planning of Ayurveda to remove and to arrest those toxins from the body. Thanks for watching us. Keep subscribing. Don't forget to be in touch with us. Regards.